Oh, there it is.
What?
Why didn't Dylan have this at basketball? Do you know how important this is?
Yeah, I do. I'm the one who takes him to the doctors, goes to the chemist, packs his sports bag.
Yeah, well, you packed it real good last time.
About as good as you did picking him up on time.
You know what?
How do you tell your kids you're separating? It's a really, really difficult conversation to have. Your dad and I love you very much. But we've decided it's best for us to separate.
So what's gonna happen now? Do I live with you or do I live with Dad?
It's Mum and Dad. They've broken up. I think Dad's going to move out.
I want to make this as easy for them as possible.
No matter what we do, it's not going to be easy for them.
Don't you two love each other anymore?
Nothing too much is going to change for you.
How can you say this? You and Dad are separating.
I caught up with Kylie yesterday.
You really need to talk to somebody that actually knows what they're talking about.
Hi, my name's Michelle. I'm separating from my husband and I need some help.
A family dispute resolution practitioner is independent of both parents and aims to help them work through the issues.
So will I have to go to court?
This process is an alternative to going to court.
I went to a family relationship centre today.
Hold up, what for? You haven't talked to me about this.
I tried to, Chris. You wouldn't listen. I needed to talk to someone to try and work out...
Work out what? So suddenly you think we need someone to tell us what to do with our kid? She went behind my back.
Sounds like she's just getting some advice.
I just remember being so angry about her speaking to someone else without telling me.
Hayley's last two assignments have been well below the standard of work she was producing at the beginning of the year. I understand the two of you separated a few months ago.
Hang on, sorry. I didn't realise you'd been told.
Someone had to tell them, Chris.
Did you know Hayley was failing?
It's weird with them not being in the same house. I hate that they've separated.
Chris, you can't just spring this on me at the last minute. You haven't given me any notice.
Oh, come on, Michelle. I want to spend some proper time with them. I want to be involved in their school stuff too. I don't want to just hang out with them at the weekends.
I've stuffed up, haven't I?
Yeah, you have. Don't ever lie to us again.
Hey.
Oh, hi, Ben.
If a stranger came into your house and behaved the way that you did, do you think that was okay?
I'm not that bad, am I?
Only you can answer that.
You guys are welcome to stay as long as you need.
Thanks.
I'm just relieved you're out of there.
Is this the first time something like this has happened?
Ben's not one of those guys.
Family and domestic violence is not just hitting, pushing and shoving. It's about one person exercising power and control over another.
I don't want that for Reagan.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. We just can't go on like this.
Separation is a difficult time for everyone, no matter where you live. Everyone's experience is different. You might think it's harder living in a regional area, and maybe for some people it is. However, there are services out there to assist you with how you're feeling emotionally, to help you sort out issues with your former partner, and others that can provide legal advice or information.
The aim of a property settlement is to finalise the financial relationship between two people. However you go about sorting out property following a separation, inevitably, each person will have less than they did as a couple. Organise everything into a logical order. The more you do and the better you organise your information and documents for your lawyer, the less it will cost you in legal fees.
Have you recently separated from your partner? You may be wondering, what do I do now? A lot of people think they have to go to court when they separate. In reality, most people end up working things out without needing to ask the court for help. Let's take a look at 4 different ways you can go about making arrangements for children and property division after a separation.